Afrobeat superstar Davido discussed the impact of his father adeleke on his musical career on Monday at the Forbes Under-30 Summit in Botswana. Davido revealed that he and his father frequently disagree over his spending patterns. Business tycoon Adeleke offers Davido advice on savings and investment and prefers to see him cut back on materialistic purchases. Even though show business is distinct from other types of businesses, Davido acknowledges that it is still a business. However, his dad dislikes seeing him rampage on materialistic items. It's still business. Sometimes we get into a lot of arguments. Showbiz is different from a normal person's life that is just doing business. Like, for example, I might be in Italy and maybe he just sees a caption, "Oh, Davido buys this $300,000 watch." It will be like, "Why are you wasting money like that?" I'll be like, "Dad, you won't understand. We are using it to inspire people." But all in all, it's still business. He still calls me to make sure that I save here, invest there. For example, I wanted to rent a penthouse. He advised me, "You are wasting money by spending on that rent. Buy it and use it when you are around." Little advice here and there. It took a while for him to my music, but now he has fully accepted it. Do you feel Davido spends extravagantly?